USDJPY market is moving upward as analyzed. Look at it right here, creating a new high on this very impulsive move. And USDCAD market move upward as predicted as well. And Euro USD market is coming all the way to the downside. And right now, market have capacity of retracing after we see Fed cut interest rate by 25 basic points 2 days ago. And this is very important to the market right now. All of this in this weekly analysis. Pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn the bell notification for more Forex video like this one. Also check the channel for other Forex content. If you come to USD JPY price chart, I have been on this very price analysis and I've been talking about market moving all the way to the upside, and that is exact same thing we see right here. Look at this very point where we see Fed cut interest rate. That was on Wednesday. Market from this very point move upward a little bit, and then yesterday market moved upward, and Friday being today market move a little bit. Right now we are seeing a little retracement in the market on the lower time frame, like the 1 hour chart and the 15-minute chart. But nevertheless, markets still have capacity of moving a little bit upward. But one thing very important right now is for market to have retracement, because personally I don't think this very impulse is going to last so long in the market for that retracement to come into the market, and that is what I am not paying attention to. So watch the market retrace. Okay, so if you enter this position around this very area, when I talk about the market moving upward, so I was looking at the market moving upward from this very point all the way to the upside, and the exact same thing has happened. That means congratulations, you should be in significant profit on that very position, and the market is going to retrace anyway. And what we need to do right now is to focus on market retracing for a little while, and then continuation is going to happen in the market, because that is what I am paying attention to. And if my sentiment change about the market, I'm also going to inform you guys on what to do and what I am keeping my eye on this very channel. And this is what you need to pay attention to. If you look at the MACD indicator, you discover that the market have started formation on the positive side of the MACD, which is also a sign that market have capacity of moving all the way to the upside. Look at it right here. Market is forming on the positive side of the MACD, which means market have a greater capacity of moving all the way to the upside. And this is very, very important. Look at the MACD histogram having good momentum all the way to the upside, and that is what we should also keep our eye on this very price chart. Look at this very stochastic RSI indicator is already at overbought condition, but there is no crossover yet between the blue line and the orange line at this very point. However, market can stay at the overbought condition for a long time before actually retracing back down. Note that the stochastic RSI indicator is a momentum indicator. It cannot really show you market reversal. It can show you little retracement and continuation in the market in line with the market momentum. And this is what you must have to pay attention to right now if you trade USD JPY chart. So what I am looking at right now is for market to move up a little bit. Okay, we should see the market move up a little bit into this very price zone of 159.19 and this very area of 160. Okay, this area of 160.92. So this very zone is where I'm expecting the market to retrace from. Okay, market have capability of moving upward a little bit, and then that retracement is going to happen within this very zone, because what I am expecting right now is for markets to approach this very level of important resistance. If you look at this resistance, it's a very key resistance on the chart right here, and if markets approach this resistance, it will be very, very key in the next week of trading. And that is why I'm expecting that this market move a little bit to the upside to this very area before we can see that very retracement come into the market. So expect the market move up a little bit from where it is right now into this very level. So it is not time to take a buy position yet. It is not time to take a sell position yet as well. And by the way, you cannot just take a buy position from this very area because it is already late at resistance. That will be the wrongest time to take a buy position. And don't take a sell position right here because market still have that capacity of moving into this very zone. The best time to take a buy position was when I was talking about this very area that market is going to move upward, and if you did, you should be in significant profit by now. So this is what you need to expect market to move a little bit into this area, and then we're going to see retracement come into the market before continuation. And I'm going to show you where that retracement is going to end in my future video. So pay attention to this on the USDJPY price chart, and that is the 1-day chart. If you come to USDCAD right here, you discover that market is moving upward as expected as well. And I am expecting retracement to come very fast on the USDCAD compared to USDJPY. And this is the reason, because market has been moving all the way to the upside on USDCAD, as you can see right at this very point. Market breakout of this very significant level of resistance right here. Market was forming consolidation at this very point, a breakout with this very strong bullish candle, and the market continued to move upward, which means market should be exhausted by now. And this is what I am expecting right now. So the bulls should be exhausted in this very market, giving the chance for the BS to take control of the market all the way to the downside. So pay attention to market retracing. Okay, I am looking at retracement and not a reversal yet. If I see a reversal in the market, I'm also going to inform you guys. So pay attention to market retracing from where it is right now. So that retracement should be within this very area of 1.4528, this very zone right here, this price level, to where the market is right now. We should expect retracement to come into the market before continuation to the upside. And that is what you need to pay attention to right now if you trade USD chart. And this is the 1-day chart. So if you look at the MACD indicator, market is still very, very bullish. However, you don't follow indicator to trade. I'm just showing you that this bullish momentum in the market right now cannot be sustained for a long time. However, we need to look at market retracing back down before continuation to the upside. And another indicator, which is the stochastic RSI indicator, is already telling us that market have capacity of coming all the way to the downside. That is, momentum is changing from the bull's hand to the bear's hand. That means the bears have capacity of taking control of the market, as we've seen this very crossover between the orange line and the blue line. Market have high capacity of coming all the way to the downside on this very chart, and that is what you need to keep your eye on right now, because this is very important for your trading. So pay attention to this, guys. Market is going to retrace within this range and then come back down, and I'm going to tell you where this retracement is going to end in my future video. And lastly, on Euro USD, look at Euro USD right here very briefly. You see that the market just come back down a little bit with this candle, and for the past 2 days we've not really seen that very aggressive move all the way to the downside, unlike we are seeing the increase in the strength of dollar on USDCAD and USDJPY. What that means is I am now paying attention to market moving upward for a good correction on the Euro USD, and that is what you have to keep your eye on as well if you trade Euro USD chart. So pay attention to market moving upward, and if you look at the bearish momentum on the MACD indicator is not strong. Look at it right here, very, very little, which means market have capacity of moving upward for a good correction before we can see any continuation in the market. So right now, guys, if you trade Euro USD, pay attention to market retracing, and I'm looking at this retracement to start where the market is right now in this very price level of 1.0261. This is the price level you should expect the market to pause before that retracement or correction will come into the market. So from where the market is right now to this very point right here, this very price level, expect market to retrace all the way to the upside to this very level of important resistance before market is going to come back down again. And if we break this level of resistance right here, just know that the market is going to begin to from here move all the way to the upside if the market break out of this very level of resistance. And this is very important, guys. If you trade the USDJPY chart, USDCAD, and Euro USD, this is what you need to pay attention to right now to be in the right direction of the market, especially as we approach next week of trading. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this one. Also, check the channel for all that Forex content. If you want to watch my video on Fibonacci extension and Fibonacci retracement, it will help you know how to trade the Fibonacci tool very well. For Fibonacci extension video, check this video right here. And for Fibonacci retracement video, check this one out. It's going to help you a lot. Thanks for supporting this channel.